which is what? 5 raised to power root x into the bracket of 5 divided by this. We are going to have 1. 5 raised to power root x divided by 5 raised to power root x, you have 1 also, equals to 80 to the power of root x. So at this point you have 5 raised to power root x into the bracket of 2 equals to 80 to the power of root x. Now you divide both sides by 5 raised to the power of root x. Power of root x. Then when you cancel this, you are left with 2 at this point. And this place we are going to have 80 over 5, all in brackets, to the power of root x. So now, when you divide the bracket, come to this side, 2 is equals to, divide the bracket, 80 divided by 5 is 16. You have 16 raised to the power of root x. So at this point, the next step to take is to square both sides. To square both sides, 2 square equals to 16 to the power of root x square. So you have 2 square equals to 16 raised to the power of x, because this square has cancelled these square roots. Now you have 2 square equals to 2 raised to the power of 4x. How do we get this? Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 4 places will give us 16. And so we have 2 raised to the power of 4x. So when you cancel the base, we are left with 2. It's equals to 4x. So at this point, we divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4 so that we can be able to have the value for x. X will now be equals to 2 divided by 4, which is x is equals to 1 over 2 as the final answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.